It's like a 50-pound carp, bro.
Is it out of the water?
Yeah. Wait till you see the stomach on this thing, dude. Ugh.
This thing is
And
massive.
the meaty part was what was eating, so this is just the less fat part.
Jimmy, that's the biggest fish I've ever seen.
That's huge, bro. Yeah.
Got one. That's small.
Hey, I'll take it, bro.
He's swimming with me. Come on, real. No. Chatterbait. Let's go on the chatterbait. All right, though, I'll take it. I actually did just catch this, though. So quick to come out. Look, I just popped it out with one hand. I don't, a beaver.
I mean,
A beaver.
honestly, yeah.
That's the only thing.
That's a big boy, though, bro. But that ain't the biggest I think Chris was.
This is like a pounder.
It's nice.
I'll take him.
Are you guys ready for him to come out of water?
Don't pull him up with that lure.
I was gonna put one hook in his mouth.
I'll take it. I actually did. Sure. I'm like a cast right here. Along this bank real quick.
Well, I guess we might be finding a better title too.
Shit. Whoops. What?
I'm not tying that down. That was my last cast.
You're done?
Yeah.
Really?
I don't even see the tangle in this, but there's definitely a bird.
Let it sit there like a little bit longer. It's a slow bait to fish, dude.
Is it?
After each jerk, let it sit for like 3 seconds. Really just jerk it like, just give it one good jerk to where it gurgles up that water. It doesn't have to be crazy hard. Like, that's good too. You can do that, or you can do like a couple little tiny jerks, like stuff like that. A little bit harder, but yeah. Usually I do about 2. A lot of times 1, super hard though. Got one. Come on, no, it's the same thing again, no. It's swimming with me. Oh, he's decent. Yeah, he just flopped it out too. He was swimming with me fast. I was on the GoPro again. Just caught another one. It's not too big, probably 1.3. Let's go, I'll take it.